and welcome back to Thirsty Thursday. Today we are talking about
the high quality and durable wine making kit.
And I made her say it because that is a mouthful.
It's a deluxe kit.
It is a deluxe kit, and so we're going to run through everything that is offered in the kit, and this is to make 6-gallon wine batches. If you would like to see our video about making only 1-gallon wine kits, we also have that video, and I'll go ahead and leave a link to it in the description, but this is for 6 gallons. What are we drinking today, first and foremost?
We are drinking a Syrah.
Beautiful.
Cheers.
Beautiful.
So I want to preface, this is probably one of our most comprehensive and complete kits. It is made for 6-gallon batches, and it's made for that winemaker who wants to make them, have everything at their fingertips, and be able to do it with ease. So let's start with the package that you're going to find in your box. In here, you're going to have the winemaker's recipe book. We referenced that in our 1-gallon video. It's in here as well. So each of these recipes is made for 1 gallon, so you'd have to do your multiplication by 6. Then also you're going to get a 3-piece Econolock. You're going to have a nice little container here of Be Bright cleanser. You've got a siphon tubing clamp. You have the bung that's going to fit the top of your carboy. And then you have a dual scale thermometer in here.
It sticks,
yeah. And that may not seem like a big deal, but monitoring to make sure that all the fermentation's happening at that 68 to 72 degree mark is key.
And you don't have to open, close, it's just right on there.
You're also going to get
corks.
And it's a 30 pack of corks. They are composite corks. They're number 8s, so they're going to work well with the corker that's also included.
Which is?
It's the Portuguese double lever corker.
This is going to be a lot higher quality than like the plunger corker.
Can't even do that.
So yeah, and it'll work well with the number 8s.
Yes, so if anyone ever says, you know, what kind of hand corker should I get? I always sell the Portuguese. There are corkers that are more expensive. I just like this one the best. So when I work in the store, that's the one I always sell. So I love that it's with this kit, and it really gets you started. If you find later you want something else, you just buy it, but you at least have what you need. For cleaning purposes, you end up with 2 brushes. This one, your bottle brush, so you can make sure that you can reuse those glass bottles. You get them nice and clean. It gets right down inside. It even has, like, on the end, it has like the bristles that stick out to help you really get in those corners. And then this is your carboy brush. And that is bent. You can even bend it a little bit more each way you need it to bend so that you're getting everything clean.
We also have a plastic spoon. This is just a nice long spoon to stir everything.
And I think it's super important that you have a spoon that you keep separate from any kind of cooking.
That's dedicated.
Exactly.
What is this? This is new to me.
Is this?
Yeah, I don't know what this is.
So it's the whip degasser.
Oh.
Yes, so that goes in, it's made to go in a carboy because you can see it's got the bung. So it goes in that carboy. You attach it to a cordless drill, and then it will move everything around and degas your wine so that you can get a nice finish on that wine. Because the worst thing that can happen, or one of the worst things that can happen, is that you don't degas your wine, and then when you bottle it and you drink it later, it's going to have that a little bit of like flat pop feel on your, that mouth feel of a flat pop, or it feels like it should be fizzy, but it's not fizzy, not a good one.
Yeah,
degas the wine, and although you can degas it by hand with just a paddle or a spoon, this is so much more efficient. Then we have an Autosiphon in this one, but not just any Autosiphon.
The big boy.
It's a 1/2-inch Autosiphon. So the difference of that is going to be it is not only longer, but the tube's diameter is bigger. So you're actually going to move a bigger volume of your wine when you're transferring vessels at one time, just to make it a little faster.
And you'll use it with this tube. So. And
that tubing is way bigger than what we're used to on the regular.
We have this bucket as your primary fermenter, and it also has a grommeted lid where your Econolock would sit.
And it's a 7.9, so even though you see that the hashtags probably only go up to 5, When you get up here, you're at 6. When you get up here, you're at, you're at 7.9. So you have 7.9 gallons of capacity
space,
here.
yeah.
And also, unlike the beer bucket, this one has that gasket around the inside of it.
We have our secondary fermenter.
Just came right out of the package. But this guy is Italian. It's Italian glass carboy, still bubbled.
It's wrapped in bubble wrap. We're gonna keep it that way.
Well, we're dangerous. But the nice thing is it's a 6-gallon, it's a clear glass carboy, and it's the Italian glass. So it's made by Vetri, and I think they make the very best quality carboys.
Which is really important because if you get a poor quality carboy, it's a lot more likely to break. And
a shattered carboy is just shattered dreams and hopes.
Paula, 2022.
So this is the high quality and durable deluxe winemaking equipment kit. Any of those words will help you find it on Homebrew Ohio, and we will ship it right to your door.
It's listed under wine equipment starter kits on Homebrew Ohio as well. So if you'd like to find it by category search, that's where you're going to find it. High quality and durable is what you're looking for. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you on the next episode of Thirsty Thursday. Cheers!
Cheers.